Hello students, welcome to Study Tricks. Today we are going to have a review of ancient Indian historical books like Manusmriti and Natya Shastra. Manusmriti is an ancient legal text. This is one of the Dharma Shastra. We all know that Dharma Shastras are those books written by Brahmanas in ancient India. These Brahma Shastras used to have many rules of law and legislature. This Manusmriti is a dialect between sage, Brigu and Manu. This was translated into English by Sir William Jones in the year 1794. It is also known as Manava Dharma Shastra because it used to tell all the laws related to the law that every human being should have. So it is also known as Manava Dharma Shastra. In the modern days, it is divided into 12 chapters. In Manusmriti, Manu discussed the concept of Varna, but not but he didn't believe that Varna comes by the accident of birth. Instead, he believes that Varna is classified depending upon their guna that is their behavior. He described guna in three different qualities like Rajas, Tamas, and Satvik. According to him, those who have dominant feature of sattvic within them are known as Brahmins. Those who had rajas as their dominant quality, they were categorized as Kshatriyas. And those who had dominant quality as tamas are recognized as Vaishyas and Sudras. We have seen that Manusmriti is a anti woman or dehumanizing Sudras. This we also see in modern Indian history that Dr. B.R. Ambedkar burning Manusmriti in the year 1927 in Mahat Satyagraha. This is because B.R. Ambedkar believes that Manusmriti has dehumanized Sudras by introducing doctrine of Chaturvarna and untouchability associating with Chaturvarna. But apart from this, Manusmriti do have given a good position to women. We know a very famous poem like Yatra Nareshu Pujyate Ramante Tatra. Such poem was written in Manusmriti itself. That means Manusmriti had given a good position to women but yet lacked giving independence to women. The other poem states that Nastri Swatantram Arhati. That means woman doesn't deserve independence. This means that Manusmriti is giving a good position to women as well as taking away women's independence. Thus, Manusmriti has many criticizings in the modern Indian history. One such incident was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar burning Manusmriti, which I have just now said. Coming to the second book, Natya Shastra. Natya Shastra is a Sanskrit text written by Bharata Muni. It is the oldest surviving books. Instead, it is the ancient most encyclopedia on arts. This is very famous for its rasa theory. What is this rasa theory? We know that Navarasas, there are 9 different features in Natya. This was described in Natya Shastra. According to Natya Shastra, art is one such thing where its primary goal is to transport the individual into the parallel reality. That is, when a performer is performing a dance show, he should be able to engage his audience and take all the audience into a parallel reality. They should no more be in the exact reality, but they should involve in that show. That is the primary goal of any art according to Natya Shastra. He also says that means Bharata Muni also says that pains and pleasures of this world are basically 4 types of abhinayas. That is, pains and pleasures can be represented on the stage by these 4 abhinayas. They are Angika, Satvika, Vachika, and Aharya. What is this Angika? Angika is physical movements and gesture that a dancer does on the stage. Satvika is emotional reaction. That is how good he is uh, able to show his emotions. Vachika is the voice and speech. You know, Natya in today's world has become totally opposite to this. But in ancient days, there used to be a live performer, and in some cases dancer himself singing a song. So voice and speech also plays a major role. The fourth one is aharya. Aharya is makeup and costume. We know that in many classical dances, costume itself introduces the character of the particular dancer. So makeup and costume does play a very important role. That's all for this session. Let's meet with some other book review in the next session. Until then, please do subscribe, share and like Study Tricks.